Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls&Indigo, and I make videos about spirituality, journaling, mental health and awareness, and my story. Today it's time for the December private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. Like always, I like to share my private journal entry with you so you can get an idea if you're feeling a little stuck with the journaling prompt. Because sometimes these can be, really thought-provoking, and we just it's things that we hadn't thought about before that we have no idea where to start. So let's go ahead and get into my private journal and see what I wrote this month for the journal prompt. What does spiritual stagnation look like to you? And how can you find growth again? To me, spiritual stagnation can take a few forms. Number one, when we have stopped believing the faith of our own choice and are mindlessly going through the motions. At this time, whether we know it or not, we are on the cusp of disengaging fully from the practice and are about to leave. To find growth here, we need a period of rest and distance to focus our own personal growth through soul searching and realigning with our morals, values, and what we hold dear. Number two, spiritual stagnation can look like the times when we are sad, depressed, in a rut, or when we feel uninspired. At this time, we usually feel lost and are only going through the motions or have stopped altogether. Here we find ourselves on the cusp of a dark night of the soul. To find growth again, we need to lean into the shadow work and journaling the dark night of the soul requires. We also need to build into our daily routine the things that make us feel spiritually connected, even if it's only for 5 minutes. And the last one, number three. To me, everyday spiritual stagnation comes from prolonged stress and amounts to not caring for ourselves as we stand stuck in the rat race of work, home life, and keeping up with the world. To find growth again, we need to put ourselves first again and spend at least 5 minutes with our heart, mind, soul, and spirit each day doing things that we love and that fosters our spiritual growth. And then work up to as much time as we can each day that leaves us feeling fulfilled and on the path of continued spiritual growth. What was your answer to this month private monthly spirituality journaling prompt? I'd love to know in the comments down below or send me an email. My email is in the description down below. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.